How you can lose weight using apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an incredible source of vitamins, potash, minerals, and several other acids. It helps prevent water retention in the body, and this makes it effective for weight loss. So how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss? 1. Cinnamon plus lemon and apple cider vinegar. Add 2 to 3 spoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 spoon of cinnamon powder to 8 to 10 ounces of water. Drink this mixture 3 times a day. You can also store it in the refrigerator and use it as a cold beverage. 2. Apple cider vinegar and honey. Mix 2 spoons of honey and 2 to 3 spoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. Shake these ingredients well before consumption. Drink it daily until you find good results. 3. Apple cider vinegar plus honey and water. This recipe is known to be excellent when it comes to weight loss. Add 2 spoons of raw honey to 16 ounces of water and 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar. Consume half an hour before every meal. 4. Apple cider vinegar and juices. Adding cider vinegar to your juice is very effective. For this, you'll require 8 ounces of warm water, 8 ounces of vegetable or fruit juice, and 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar. Mix all ingredients well and drink twice a day regularly. 5. Salad and apple cider vinegar. Adding apple cider vinegar to your salad helps with effective and fast weight loss process. Take 50 milliliters of water, 50 milliliters of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 spoon of black pepper powder, a 1/4 spoon of salt with veggies of your choice. Mix water and apple cider vinegar in a bowl. Chop all the vegetables and add it to the bowl. 6. Apple cider vinegar and garlic juice. Take a bowl and combine 2 spoons of honey, 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar, a few drops of garlic juice, juice of a 1/4 lemon, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Add this mixture to a glass of water and drink it regularly to reduce food cravings and lose weight. 7. Maple syrup and apple cider vinegar. Maple syrup is a natural sweetener and is known to be healthier than sugar. It contains loads of antioxidants that help in neutralizing the free radicals. Mix 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar and maple syrup in a glass of warm water and drink it 3 times in a day to reduce weight. These are 7 ways to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. You can try any remedies and include it in your daily routine. For more health advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.